Yes, people, welcome to a comparison of AirHub. And if you're looking for the best eSIM, you're at the right place because I'm reviewing a couple of eSIMs in my videos. Let's dive in my computer and let's talk about AirHub and see if this is the best eSIM for you. Let's dive in. Yes, people, welcome in my computer and we're gonna review AirHub. And AirHub's eSIM service is it's not without some drawbacks, and we're gonna tell you about the pros and the cons, and then we give you a good conclusion, and you can choose between AirHub and other eSIMs. And first, the pros, and it's extensive coverage. And AirHub eSIM offers an impressive coverage, spanning over 190 plus countries, regions, and territories, making it an ideal choice for international travelers. Responsive support. The live chat support is quick response time, enhance the customer service experience, ensuring that issues are promptly addressed. Mobile app convenience. AirHub's mobile app, both for iOS and Android, is a standout feature, allowing users to easily purchase and install eSIMs on the go, eliminating the need for physical SIM cards. Competitive pricing. AirHub's eSIM plans are known for the affordability and extensive range, catering to a wide variety of needs and budgets. Reliable performance. Users have reported good performance and fast data speeds in the most of the countries tested, ensuring an uninterrupted connectivity. Versatile plans. AirHub offers flexibility with both unlimited and various data plans, accommodating users with varying usage requirements. Plans can include data, voice, minutes, and SMS, providing a comprehensive communication solution. The cons. Payment service fees. AirHub charges payment service fees at checkout, which can add to the overall cost, potentially making it less competitive in terms of pricing. User experience. While the app provides convenience, some users feel that the overall user experience could be improved. Enhancements in the app design and functionality would elevate the service. Limited regional plans. AirHub offers a wide range of global plans, but has room for improvement in providing more regional options, allowing users to tailor their eSIM experience even further. In summary, AirHub's eSIM service offers impressive global coverage, affordability, and convenience. However, it's important to consider the payment service fees, user experience improvements, and availability of regional plans as areas for potential enhancement. For travelers and international users seeking a versatile eSIM solution, AirHub presents a compelling option for notable strength that can meet their connectivity needs. And if you have ever have experience with any eSIM, please share this experience in the comment section, and that will be very nice to help each other. Thank you for watching to this video. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.